Hello students, now in this video we are going to study about the mirror formula. So these are the relationship between the object distance, image distance and the focal length. So there is a relationship between the object distance, image distance and the focal length. So mirror formula is 1 by v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. That is your 1 upon image distance 1 plus 1 upon object distance is equal to 1 upon focal length. So this is the mirror formula that is used for doing lots of numericals. To deal with the different type of numericals, we have to be very much clear about the relationship. We know that the object distance is denoted by u, image distance is always denoted by v, and the focal length is f. And we know that there is a relationship between focal length is equal to half of radius of curvature. So there is a relationship between f and r is here. Now next one, magnification. So what do you mean by the magnification? So magnification, the literally meaning is the degree to which something can be or be magnified. Means there is a relative and comparative study of the relationship between how much the object, how much the image we get larger or smaller related to the object. So this shows the magnification, that how much at what degree of the image formed is larger than or the smaller than the object. So that is the magnification, and it shows the relationship between height of the object and the height of the image. So magnification is equal to height of the image by the height of the object. And it also shows a relationship between, so this minus sign, if one thing more important, that if the magnification is negative, then it shows a real image. It shows a real image. And if magnification comes positive, it shows virtual image. So positive and negative sign is basically used to find out the type of or the nature of image. If there is a negative sign comes, then it is a real type of image, and if it is positive come, it means it is a virtual image. So it shows basically the nature of the image formed. So, and the second relationship between the magnification and the object distance and the image distance, that is magnification is equal to minus v upon u. V means your object distance, image distance, your image distance, and u is your object distance. So the relationship we get from here, that magnification is equal to minus v upon u is equal to h2 by h1. So we can say that minus v u is equal to h2 by h1. So h2 is your image, height of image by height of object. So basically we have to keep in this, there is a relationship. So mirror formula shows the relationship between the object distance, image distance and focal length. And the magnification shows that what extent the image formed is greater or larger or smaller than the object. So whatever the object we are providing, it shows a relative study of the what type of object, of what type of image we are getting. And the third thing we have to keep in mind, that the positive negative shows the virtual and the real image. If there is a negative image, negative sign comes, then it is magnification is negative. It is denoted by M. Magnification is denoted by M, and it is known as real image. And if the positive comes, then it is a virtual image. And this is the relationship we establish between the object. So if here we will found the relationship between the object distance, image distance, object distance, height of the image and height of the object.